Ever wondered why spring is the perfect time to get your hands dirty and start planting? Stick around as we delve into the reasons why spring is the ideal season for gardening. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking all about why spring is a fantastic time to get your garden started. So, let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the weather. Spring brings us warmer temperatures, longer days, and just the right amount of sunlight. This creates the ideal conditions for plants to grow and thrive. Plus, with the frosty winter days behind us, there's less risk of your newly planted seeds or seedlings getting damaged by cold snaps. Another reason why spring is perfect for planting is the soil. During the winter months, the soil tends to be compacted and cold, making it difficult for roots to establish themselves. But as spring arrives, the soil begins to warm up and loosen, providing a welcoming environment for your plants to spread their roots and grow strong. And let's not forget about all the different types of plants that love to be planted in spring. From colorful flowers to tasty vegetables, there's a wide variety to choose from. Whether you're looking to brighten up your garden with some vibrant blooms or wanting to start your own vegetable patch, spring offers endless possibilities. Plus, planting in spring gives your plants a head start. By getting them in the ground early, they have plenty of time to establish themselves before the heat of summer kicks in. This means healthier, more robust plants that are better equipped to withstand the challenges of the hotter months ahead. Of course, let's not overlook the importance of watering. In spring, the weather is typically milder, and there's often more rainfall. This means you won't have to worry as much about constantly watering your plants to keep them hydrated. It's like nature's way of giving you a helping hand in the garden. Last but not least, spring planting is good for the soul. There's something incredibly therapeutic about getting outside, digging in the dirt, and watching your efforts come to life as your garden begins to flourish. It's a great way to de-stress, connect with nature, and reap the rewards of your hard work. So there you have it, spring truly is the ultimate time to roll up your sleeves and get gardening. From the perfect weather to the thriving soil and the endless possibilities for planting, there's no better time to get started. Thanks for joining us today. If you find this video helpful and informative, give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to take your gardening to the next level. Happy gardening!